The fire outbreak at the Ministry of Finance, Budgeting and Planning started from the battery room, the public relations officer Olajide Oshundu has said.
At about 6:50 this morning, the security men noticed smoke which emanated from a room that housed the batteries for the inverters in the ministry. Necessary alarm was raised, and the internally provided fire fighting equipment were deployed, and within about 15-20 minutes, the fire was put under control.
He told the press that the fire, which started at the early hours of Wednesday, was dealt with in good time due to the vigilance of security guards who spotted the smoke.
Information was also sent to the Federal Fire Service Federal Fire Service. Before they came, everything had been brought under control. The problem, the fire outbreak emanated from an exploded battery, which then affected the other batteries. About 10-16 batteries were affected, and that is what actually happened. That's why I took all of you round. Other than that room, the battery compartment at the basement of the ministry, the fire did not affect any other parts of the ministry.